In today's video session, we will see how the transfer data from master data sheet to the multiple sheet. So today we have the sales record for the two customers, Sony and Philips. And this is the master data sheet and the two corresponding sheet for the corresponding customers that contain the sales data. So if you see here, the last entry for the Philips customer is 24 October 2023. So that entry is available over here. And for the Sony customer, it's a 15 August 2023. So that entry also available in this sheet, right? So now we will see whatever we are adding over here that will getting transferred automatically to the corresponding customer sheet. So let's say for example, here I'm adding data for 14 December 20, 2023 for Sony customer. So here I'll add some like television units. I'll add 40, and the unit price I'll add like 1000. So the sales amount will be 40,000, right? We'll see this data will getting added into the Sony. So if you see here, data got automatically added in the Sony sheet, right? Now we'll see for the Philips as well. We'll add data for 15 December 2023, customer Philips, and the item will add as a home theater. Quantity will add uh, 10 unit, and price will be add as a 500, and the sales amount will be 5,000. So we will check in the Philips sheet. So this data getting added over here automatically, right? If I'll delete this data, for example, I delete this data for Sony customer, the entry will automatically gone. If you see here, it's gone. We'll delete for this entry as well, which is added recently. I'll delete this one. So data also deleted from the Philips sheet. So whatever data we are adding or deleting, that will be reflected into the corresponding sheet. So let's see how we can do that step by step. So very first step is that you just need to select your entire data, Control Shift page down, and then you just create this data table into the table format. So press the Control T, and this window will get pop up. Then just need to select the My Table has headers and click on OK. Now your data got converted into the table format. So for these headers, fill color you can keep as a yellow. For font color, you can keep as a black. I'm selecting the entire headers, and I'll keep the font color as a black, right? Now your data is ready for transfer. Now we will create two sheets. One is for Sony customer and another is for Philips customer. It's for Sony customer data, and this one is for the Philips customer data, right? Now just copy the headers. I'm just copying here headers and pasting over here in the Sony sheet. Control V, and for Philips also here pasting data. Now we need the criteria range to apply the advanced filter, right? So here I'm just getting this to customer criteria. Like I'm copying this thing over here in the T column. Customer I'll keep as a Sony, and here customer I'll keep as a Philips, right? So just make sure spelling is correct, right? So this is the important step. Now what you have to do, just need to select, like I'll do the format for painter. Okay. Now the two sheets is ready. Here go to the developer tab, and here one option available, record micro. Just click on this and give the micro name as a Sony and click on OK. Now go to the data tab, and here the filter option available. Just need to select here advanced, right? And here one pop-up window will appear. Just select this, copy to another location. Click on this, list range, just click on this and go to the master data sheet. So you just need select the entire data, right? And click on here again. Now the criteria range, just need to click over here. Criteria, you just give the Sony for the filter. And here copy to, click on here and select this headers range and click on OK. So the data will automatically filter. I'll stop recording and now data filter is done for the Sony customer. Now we'll do the same thing for Philips customer as well, right? So again here go to the record micro. Here you can give name as a Philips and give the micro name as a Philips and click on OK. Then again you just go to the data tab here and just click on the advanced filter. Click over here, select this option, copy to another location. List range, you just need to select the master data sheet. So here I'm selecting the entire data and now click here again. Just criteria range, you just need to give the Philips, right? Click here again, copy to, click over here, select this entire headers and again go to here and click OK. So the data got filter Philips customer. Stop recording. Now we have the data filter for Philips customer, Sony customer, right? But we need to transfer data. Whenever we add over here any entry, it go to the automatically Sony customer or corresponding customers, right? So what you have to do just need to go to this sheet again, click the view code, right? So here I am selecting the worksheet and here select selection range as activate, right? Here just type call Sony. Our micro name is Sony, right? And again go to this sheet again. Here go to the Philips, right? So again the same procedure, go to the view code. Here just need to select the worksheet and here click on activate. Here again you just call Philips, right? You can verify the micro here from here in module, right? Here the micro name is Philips. So we can go to the sheet 7, sorry, Philips sheet. Now our work is done. Now we will see how it's working. Here you can see the last entry available for Philips is 24 October. So last entry is 24 October 2023 and for Sony it's the 15 August 2023. So it's a 15 August, right? So here I'll add some data for the Sony customer. Let's say I'll add data for 14 December 2023. I'll add the Sony. Here I'll add a television. Units I'll add as 10 and unit price I'll add as 1000 and here the sales amount will be 10,000, right? So we'll check. This data is automatically transferred to the Sony customer sales data sheet. Here I'll add some other entry for Philips customer as well. For suppose 15 December 2023. Here customer name is Philips. I'll add as a home theater. Units I'll add as suppose 15. Unit price I'll add as a 500. And here the amount 7,500. So we'll see this data also automatically got transferred to the Philips sales data, right? So we'll add one more entry like 7 December 2023 for Sony customer. Sony, then cell phone, we'll add cell phone over here. Quantity 5. Unit price will give as a suppose 300 and here this sales amount will be like this. So go to this and here data got reflected in the Sony sheet, right? Suppose I'll add all this data, delete this all data. We'll see the data also gone in the Sony sheet and the Philips sheet, right? So whenever we added any entry or deleted any entry, that will getting reflected to the corresponding customer sheet. So in this way, you can transfer data from master data sheet to multiple sheets. If you feel this video is really informative, so like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.